Ever thought about why an ant bite stings or why indigestion happens? Well, the answer lies in the intriguing concept of neutralization. This scientific process involves acids and bases reacting to neutralize each other, creating some of the reactions we experience daily. From the sting of an ant bite to the discomfort of indigestion, from the treatment of soils to the processing of factory wastes, neutralization plays a key role. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of neutralization. Neutralization, in simple terms, is the reaction between an acid and a base. This fascinating process is happening all around and inside us, even now. But to really understand it, we need to dive into the world of acids and bases. Picture this. Acids, like a freshly squeezed lemon or a tangy vinegar, are substances with a pH less than 7. They have a sour taste and can even react with metals. Bases, on the other hand, are substances with a pH greater than 7. Think of baking soda or soap. They feel slippery to the touch and can taste bitter. Now, when an acid and a base meet, they don't just shake hands and walk away, they react. And this reaction, my friends, is neutralization. It's like a dance of particles, where the acid and base cancel each other out, resulting in a pH of 7, which is neutral. The most interesting part, this reaction doesn't just result in a neutral solution. Oh no, it's much more exciting than that. Along with a neutral solution, a salt and water are also produced. Picture it like a magic trick. Lemon juice and baking soda go in, and poof, out comes salt, water, and a neutral solution. So neutralization isn't just a fancy word or a complex scientific concept. It's a fundamental process that's constantly shaping our world, right down to the smallest particle. Now that we understand the science behind it, let's explore how it affects our daily life. Scene script. Ever had a stomach upset after a spicy meal, or felt the sting of an ant bite? Let's dive into how neutralization plays a role in these common occurrences. Picture this. You've just devoured a spicy curry, and your stomach is erupting like a volcano. This discomfort is due to excess stomach acid. But don't worry, the science of neutralization is here to save the day. When you reach for an antacid, you're actually introducing a base into your system. Antacids, like milk of magnesia or calcium carbonate, work by neutralizing the excess stomach acid, turning it into water and other natural substances. The result? A soothed stomach and a sigh of relief. Now let's shift our focus to those pesky ant bites. The sting you feel is actually a form of an acidic reaction. This is why we often reach for a baking soda solution, a common household base, to soothe the sting. When applied, the baking soda neutralizes the acid in the ant bite, easing the irritation and pain. Neutralization doesn't just occur in a lab. It's happening right in our bodies and our backyards. This amazing process turns discomfort into relief, proving that science is indeed a part of our everyday lives. Interesting, isn't it? But that's not all. Neutralization has even bigger roles to play. From the food we grow to the wastes we dispose, neutralization is crucial. Let's venture into the fascinating world of agriculture, where neutralization plays a pivotal role. Picture a farmer, meticulously tending to his fields, ensuring that the soil is just right for his crops. But what if the soil is too acidic or too basic? That's where neutralization steps in. Lime, a basic substance, is often added to acidic soil, neutralizing it and creating a more hospitable environment for the plants. On the other hand, acidic substances like sulfur can be added to neutralize basic soils. Now let's take a turn and explore the industrial realm. Factories, as you know, often produce wastes that can be harmful to the environment. These wastes can be acidic or basic, and releasing them untreated can lead to serious environmental damage. That's where, once again, neutralization comes to the rescue. By adding a substance of the opposite pH to the waste, it can be neutralized, making it safer to dispose of. In essence, neutralization is a balancing act, a process of bringing extremes to a more moderate, manageable level. It helps us grow our food and protect our environment. It's a silent superhero working behind the scenes in our everyday lives, often unnoticed but incredibly important. As we can see, neutralization is not just a scientific concept, but a vital part of our everyday life. Neutralization, quite simply, makes our world go round. This remarkable process helps us in ways we often overlook. It aids our bodies to combat indigestion, turning our discomfort into relief. It soothes us when an ant's bite injects acidic venom into our skin. Beyond personal relief,